Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Which is just given by Siddiqui. Ozone in troposphere also acts as a greenhouse gas, and in this way these gases affect badly. The Citizens' Fifth Report of Center for Science and Environment in 1999, New Delhi, revealed or proved that the emission of carbon dioxide has been hailed as the most dangerous and most significant greenhouse gas emission causing global warming. In the year 1995, about 22,700.2 million tons of carbon dioxide was emitted in the world. Shares of world carbon dioxide emission is given or can be proved as, then if a number of country, there is the name of the country, that's United States, the emission was 25%. In China, the emission was 15%. In Russian Federation, the emission was 7%, whereas in Japan, the emission was 5%. In Germany, the emission was 4%. In India, the emission was 4%. In Brazil, emission was about 1%, whereas in India, the emission was near about 1%. 5 worst carbon dioxide emitter countries are United States, China, Russian Federation, Japan and Germany. In the report of the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, that is IPCC, in 1996, the trend of concentration of other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere was published. It has revealed the following facts, such as the methane release registered a phenomenal increase from the pre-industrial level of 700 ppmv to 1724 ppmv in 1992. ppmv means parts per million. The second is atmospheric N2O increased from the pre-industrial level of 275 ppmv to 311 ppmv in 1992. Third is the concentration of tropospheric ozone has doubled from pre-industrial level to 1993 level in northern hemisphere, but it has decreased over the south pole. Bowley and Ardil in 1989 stated that if global warming potentiality of carbon dioxide is taken as one of the methane has 11 times, nitrous oxide 270 times, CFC 11 times, CFC again has 12,000 times, and HCFC 22 has 1600 times higher potentiality of global warming in 100 years time. CFCs are further dangerous in the sense that these are not only involved in direct global warming but also in destroying ozone layer in the stratosphere. The greenhouse gases behave somewhat like glass in a greenhouse, which lets in the sunlight but traps outgoing thermal radiation. Now we'll see the greenhouse gases. The global warming causing common greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrous oxide and ozone, that is O3. Now in details we'll see regards carbon dioxide. The increasing combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, mineral oil and natural gases in various industrial and transport systems has resulted a steady increase of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere. The increase has been nearly 25% since 1850. In India, contributions from coal, petroleum and natural gas and transport emissions are about 85,355 to 15 million tons respectively of carbon during 1988 to 1989.